So, I have made filming a priority again. It can be hard because I start way too many projects and then I'm scrambling to find the time to work on them between my job and baby girl. So what I thought I'd do today is just kind of share my day with you. It might not be a full makeover from start to finish. It might not be perfect, but it could be a little organization project, a refresh, a mini makeover, something productive that gets my space one step closer to my dream space. I'm on a budget and I have limited time, so my house is constantly a work in progress. Today's video will include a little vlogging, a lazy crockpot recipe, a baking cart refresh, and a little Christmas decorating. I have so much fun making this content and I have so many ideas to share. I just have to get started, so let's get started today. So let's get this day started. You just saw me get up and take care of the dogs. Now it's time to take care of baby girl. She looks so cute and all grown up with her little sippy cup. She's still learning, but my day does not officially start until I've had my cup of coffee. I put this little bar in here right before I had M, and it's the best thing I did. I love getting a cup every morning.
Come on, come on. Cuties.
Usually I would get up a little bit earlier than baby girl so I can study, but this morning she was also up and refused to go back to bed, so we just went with it. While she's rolling around in her walker, I try to sneak in some study time.
And before I knew it, it was time for lunch. I ate real quick, did a load of laundry, and then back to studying.
On this day, I was working on building a new dog gate, and I just happened to catch the most adorable moment of M on camera. This is what the gate looks like all put together. Now we can keep the dogs out when we're trying to put M to bed, and the dogs also have a place to hide from her so she can stop terrorizing them. Now for my crockpot idea that I wanted to share with you guys. I am lazy. So with this recipe, you use these oven roasters, so you don't have to chop potatoes or onions. The only thing you have to chop up is the sausage. This was so quick to dump in here and it ended up tasting so good. Now for the baking station. This area needed a little refresh for a couple of reasons. This counter is needed for baby stuff now. Also, the mixer is way too heavy. It's starting to bend the cart, and M is starting to get curious and trying to get into things. I started by swapping out this mat. This mat helps keep the cart in place. Next, I gave the cart a really good clean and went through and cleaned all of our cookie cutters, mixer parts. I also decluttered some of the baking supplies. I also went ahead and wiped down the mixer and put it away in the pantry. And these containers, these are some of my favorite containers. I love that the lid does not detach. I also like that the container I had already fits in here perfectly. This will keep M out for now. And now it's time to put the cart together. I want the sugar and flour out, so I'm keeping those up top on the cart. I also want our oven mitts out, so I'm setting these up top. And then I'm just loading up the cart with the rest of these Stairlight containers. These are a must for items that are going to be out. We had everything just kind of out in the open before, and they had a ton of dust on them. There were like dead bugs on the cart. There were some mouse droppings, So this will keep everything nice and contained, and it will keep Em out of the baking supplies. And the last thing I want to share with you guys today is this area. First of all, we are switching out the rug for an oval rug. Em cannot get through with the rectangular one, and this also just makes so much more sense for a dining area. And I bought it online, so I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I actually think it looks really great. It matches the rug that we have already, and it got me inspired to do a little Christmas decorating. Let me know any ideas of what you guys think I should add, what kind of like napkins, table settings, things like that. And let me know what you thought of today's video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.